if you want to change the slow motion speed on OnePlus 15, first of all, we need to open the camera. Now over here in camera, of course, we need to go to the slow motion mode. So let's go all the way to more. And in here, we're gonna select slow-mo. To actually change the slow motion effect, to make it even slower, we need to change the frame rate, because the frame rate decides how slow we can actually go with the video. In this case, we have, in the case of 1080p Full HD, we have two frame rate options, 120 frames per second and 240. So if I use 240 frames per second, the slow motion effect will be even slower compared to 120 frames per second. So this is how we can change the speed of the slow motion video. And in some cases, like for example, in the case of 4K resolution, unfortunately, you cannot change the frame rate. We cannot record 4K 240 frames per second. But for example, in the case of 720p resolution, we have 480. So it's up to you if you prefer to have even slower slow motion video, or if you prefer to have a higher quality, but the effect won't be as slow as in other cases. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.